Hello students, how are you? I hope you are all fine at your home. I am Mr. Ekhande SB, an assistant teacher of Janta Vidyalaya Lohner. Today we will start our syllabus of 6th standard English textbook unit 1.1. It is also called study tour. Okay. So here the title of study tour 1.1, songs of happiness. Here in this lesson we are going to learn and understand two interesting songs, but before that we are going to understand the meanings of new words and phrases. Let's see all those new words and phrases from this study tour 1.1, that is songs of happiness. Let's see. The first word is happy. Happy means anandi. Second, it's a phrase clap your hands means टाळ्या वाजवणे. Know means माहित असणे. Show means दाखवणे. Really खरोखर. When जेव्हा. Next, it's a phrase sing your way home means घरी परत जाताना गाणे गात आनंदाने जा. At the close of the day means सर्व काम संपल्यावर दिवसाच्या शेवटी. Next phrase is drive the shadows away. It means मनातून सर्व दुःखांचे विचार काढून टाका. Roam means भटकणे. Brighten your road. It means तुम्हाला आनंदी बनवेल. And lighten your load. It means तुमच्या काळजा कमी करेल. Students, all these are new words and phrases of the lesson 1.1. Pause the video and copy all these new words and phrases in your notebook. It will help you to understand both songs. Okay, now here we'll see the next slide. My question is, how many songs are there in this lesson? Okay, so here if you observe your textbook, then you will find in that lesson first how many songs are there in this study tour 1.1. Okay, can you guess? Can you answer? Okay, see, there are two songs in this lesson. The first lesson consists of two songs. Which are those two songs? Let's see. The first song is When You Are Happy. This is the title of first song, and another song is Sing Your Way Home. So students, we are going to see, learn and understand these two songs of happiness with the help of study tour 1.1. Okay, got it? बघा विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, पहिल्या पाठामध्ये आपल्याला दोन आनंदी गीतांचा अभ्यास करायचा आहे. आपल्या पाठाचं जर आपण शीर्षक बघितलं, टायटल बघितलं तर सॉंग्स ऑफ हॅपीनेस. दिस इज द टायटल ऑफ आवर लेसन. मग याच्यामध्ये आपल्याला या दोन गीतांचा अभ्यास करायचा आहे, त्याचं गायन करायचं आहे आणि ते समजून घ्यायचं आहे. बघा, पहिलं आहे When You Are Happy and the second one is Sing Your Way Home. So we will understand both songs one by one here from the next slide. Okay, so let's move to the next slide. But before that, here you have to observe the following pictures. Okay, I will show you those pictures here. The first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and the last one, sixth. You can see. Okay, observe all these 6 pictures for a while, and then we will go on the next slide. बघा, या स्लाइड वरती तुम्हाला 6 चित्र दिसत आहेत. या चित्राचं थोडा वेळ तुम्ही निरीक्षण करा आणि निरीक्षण केल्यानंतर आपण पुढच्या स्लाइड वरती जाणार आहोत. व्हॉट वी आर गोइंग टू सी ऑन द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड about all these pictures. Okay, did you observe all these pictures? Okay, so let's move to the next slide. Here I would like to ask you one question about the previous slide. Okay, so the question is, what did you notice on the previous slide? तुम्ही काय नोटीस केलं? तुम्हाला काय लक्षात आलं पहिल्या आधीच्या स्लाइड वरती? So you have to write this question's answer. So what will you write in this question's answer? मग या प्रश्नाच्या उत्तरामध्ये तुम्ही काय लिहू शकाल त्या चित्राच्या बाबतीत? Let's see. We noticed on the previous slide there are different pictures that show different actions. Okay, if you observe all those pictures, then you will find or you will notice this thing. All those pictures show different actions. Okay, so all those different pictures shows different actions. Okay, so here, did you understand? Now let's move to the next slide. This is our first song, and the title of that song is When You Are Happy. When you are happy means जेव्हा तुम्ही आनंदी होता. So here students, before going to start our first song, I would like to ask you one question, and you will have to write that question answer. Okay, so here, when do you happy? We happy when we do some interesting things. Am I right? Or when you are happy? When you get a prize, when your parents give you a precious gift, when you get a first rank in the school exam. So that time definitely we become happy. Okay, so here the first song is related with that topic, when you are happy. So when you become happy or when you are happy, so what you should do in that situation? Okay, so here through this first song, when you are happy, what you will have to do here? Let's see. Here what we are going to learn and understand through the first song, when you are happy. Okay, जेव्हा आपण आनंदी होतो मग तेव्हा आपण काय करतो? बघा विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, निश्चितच की ज्यावेळेस आपण आनंदी होतो त्यावेळेस आपण वेगळ्या प्रकारच्या गोष्टी त्या ठिकाणी करतो. तुम्ही आनंदी केव्हा होता विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो? की ज्यावेळेस आपल्याला चांगले मार्क्स परीक्षेमध्ये मिळतात, एखाद्या स्पर्धेमध्ये आपल्याला प्रथम क्रमांक मिळतो किंवा बक्षीस मिळतं. एवढंच नाही तर आपल्या वाढदिवशी जेव्हा आपले आईवडील आपल्याला छानसं गिफ्ट भेटवस्तू त्या ठिकाणी देतात, निश्चितच त्यावेळेस आपण आनंदी होतो. तर या ठिकाणी थ्रू दिस सॉन्ग, when you are happy, what you should do to express your happiness? We do lot of things here to express our happiness for others. Okay, मग ज्यावेळेस आपण आनंदी होतो मग तो आनंद व्यक्त करण्यासाठी आपण वेगळ्या प्रकारच्या गोष्टी करतो. मग कोणत्या गोष्टी करतो? लेट्स सी थ्रू दिस सॉन्ग. The first song, when you are happy, consists of 3 stanzas. How many stanzas are there in the first song? There are 3 stanzas in the first song, when you are happy. So we will read the first song in rhythm. Okay, let's see. This is the first stanza. After that, you can see the picture. What these children are doing here? They are clapping their hands. Okay, you can see this picture is related with this line, clap your hands. Okay, now let's move to the second stanza. Okay, here you can see the second stanza and the picture is clapping hands. Okay, uh, I will try to sing this song in rhythm. You have to listen carefully, and if you are interested to sing this song in rhythm, then you can sing at your home. Okay, no problem. Okay, let's start. When you are happy and you know it, clap your hands. When you are happy and you know it, clap your hands. When you are happy and you know it, clap your hands. When you are happy and you know it, clap your hands. Okay, let's move to the next slide again. When you are happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. When you are happy and you know it, clap your hands, clap your hands. Okay, you can sing this song at your home, no problem. Okay, so let's understand the meaning of this song when you are happy. So here the first stanza consists three lines. Okay, when you are happy and you know it, clap your hands. So here what you will have to do here, when you are happy you have to clap your hands, you have to do this action clapping hands. But when you are happy or when you become happy and you know it means you know the reason of your happiness, why you are happy there. So to express your happiness, so therefore here you must clap your hands or you should clap your hands. You know the reason of that happiness, and if you want to show your happiness to others or to people, then you must clap your hands. Why why you have to clap your hands? To show your happiness. If you know the reason of your happiness, so that time you must clap your hands. Did you understand? बघा विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, पहिल्या गाण्यामध्ये या ठिकाणी कवी असं सांगतोय की तुम्ही आनंदी आहात आणि तुमच्या आनंदी होण्याचं कारण तुम्हाला माहिती आहे, तर त्यावेळेस तुम्ही काय करा, टाळ्या वाजवा, दोन्ही हातांनी टाळ्या वाजवा. क्लॅप युअर हँड्स. वाय? टू शो युअर हॅपीनेस टू अदर्स. ओके, मग तुम्हाला तुमचा आनंद व्यक्त करायचा आहे, मग तो आनंद व्यक्त करण्यासाठी तुम्ही त्या ठिकाणी काय केलं पाहिजे, टाळ्या वाजवल्या पाहिजे. कशासाठी? टू शो और टू एक्सप्रेस युअर हॅपीनेस. टू शो युअर हॅपीनेस you must clap your hands there. Got it? Here in the first song some lines are repeated here. The first line is when you are happy and you know it, and the third line is clap your hands. So these lines are repeated in the whole song. Okay, I hope you will have understood the first song when you are happy. Okay, so here you have to write few questions as your homework, and those questions are here. See, these are two questions for your exercise and you have to copy these two questions answer in your classworks notebook. Let's see the first question. Sing and copy the first song 5 times in your notebook using the following actions. So here are 5 actions. So in place of that phrase, clap your hands, which is highlighted in that song with the help of yellow color. You have to copy the first song when you are happy. How many times? 5 times in your classworks notebook by using all these 5 phrases or 5 action words. Okay, the first one is sing a song, dance around, third one nod your head, snap your fingers, and the last phrase is here, stamp your feet. So in place of that phrase, clap your hands, we have to use each phrase and we have to rewrite this poem. How many times? 5 times by using all these 5 phrases. Okay, got it? And the second question is here, copy the lines from the first song that are repeated. Already I have told you which lines are repeated here. We have to copy all those lines which are repeated in the first song. Did you understand your homework? Okay, how you have to write the first question's answer, let's see, and how you have to rewrite the first song when you are happy. This is an example, and it will help you uh, how to write the first question's answer here. Let's move here. For example, here you can see we have to rewrite the whole song by using all those 5 phrases which we have seen in the previous slide. Okay, so I have used one of them here, and that phrase is sing a song. Sing a song when you are happy and you know it. Sing a song when you are happy and you know it. Sing a song when you are happy and you know it and you really want to show it. When you are happy and you know it, sing a song. So in this way we have to use all those 5 phrases, all those 5 action words, and we have to rewrite the first song 5 times as shown. Understand? Okay, let's move to the next slide. Okay, so now we will discuss and understand song number 2, that is Sing Your Way Home. This is the title of our second song. बघा आता दुसऱ्या गाण्याला आपण सुरुवात करणार आहोत. त्याचं टायटल आहे Sing Your Way Home. Okay, so here we will read, discuss and understand the second song, Sing Your Way Home. Let's see that song. The song consists of 2 stanzas. Okay, this is the first stanza and this is the second one. Okay, so we will try to sing this song in rhythm. You can practice at your home. Okay, let's see. Sing your way home at the close of the day. Sing your way home at the close of the day. Sing your way home, drive the shadows away. Sing your way home, drive the shadows away. Smile every mile for wherever you roam. Smile every mile for wherever you roam. It will brighten your road, it will lighten your load. If you sing your way home, if you sing your way home. Okay, so you can practice at your home this song. Let us understand the meaning of this second song. Sing your way home at the close of the day. Sing your way home, drive the shadows away. It means sing your way home at the close of the day. It means when you are coming at your home and when your work is done, when the work is finished, you must sing to remove all your bad thoughts from your mind. Sing your way home at the close of the day. Sing your way home, drive the shadows away. When the day comes to an end and when you are coming back at your home and on the way, you must sing. You must sing to express your happiness there. Okay, sing your way home, drive the shadows away. Why you should sing your way home? To remove all bad thoughts from your mind. Therefore, you must sing your way home, drive the shadows away. Drive the shadows away means remove all sad thoughts from your mind. So, therefore, to remove all your sad thoughts, bad thoughts from your mind, you must sing your way home. Smile every mile, for wherever you roam, wherever you wander, wherever you travel, wherever you go, you should keep smiling on your face. Smile every mile, for wherever you roam, it will brighten your road. It means it will brighten your road means it, it make you feel happy and cheerful. Okay, wherever you go or wherever you wander or wherever you roam, you should keep smiling on your face. It means it will brighten your road. It means here make you feel happy and cheerful. So therefore you should always keep smiling on your face. It will lighten your load. So when you will keep a smile on your face, so definitely it will help you to remove all your worries and problems in your life. So therefore wherever you roam or wherever you go, so you should keep smile on your face. It will brighten your road as well as it will lighten your load. If you sing your way home, so when you are coming at your home, so that time you should keep smile on your face as well as you should sing a song or you should sing or you must sing to remove all your bad thoughts, all your sad thoughts. And when you will sing your way home, so definitely it will remove all your sadness, all your bad thoughts from your mind. And when you will keep a smile on your face, so definitely it will make you happy and cheerful. So therefore when your work will finish or when your work is done, then you seeing your way home to remove all the bad thoughts, bad things from your mind, and you should keep a smile on your face, which will remove all your problems, remove all your worries, problems, and it will make you cheerful and happy. Okay, so therefore, sing your way home. Did you understand? I will explain you in Marathi. बघा की दुसऱ्या गाण्यामध्ये असं सांगितलं आहे की ज्यावेळेस आपण आपलं काम संपून घरी निघतो किंवा त्या ठिकाणी दिवस संपल्यानंतर आपलं काम संपतं त्यावेळेस आपण आपल्या रस्त्याने येताना काय म्हटलं पाहिजे की गाणं म्हटलं पाहिजे, गाणं गायलं पाहिजे. का तर आपल्या मनामध्ये आलेल्या ज्या काही वाईट विचार आहेत, वाईट गोष्टी आहेत, त्या बाहेर काढण्यासाठी किंवा त्या दूर लोटण्यासाठी आपण काय केलं पाहिजे, आपल्या रस्त्याने त्या ठिकाणी गाणं म्हटलं पाहिजे. मग त्याचबरोबर ज्या ज्या ठिकाणी आपण जातो किंवा जिथे जिथे आपण जातो, भटकतो, त्यावेळेस आपण आपल्या चेहऱ्यावरती काय ठेवलं पाहिजे? हास्य ठेवलं पाहिजे, की ज्या हास्यामुळं काय होईल, की आपल्या मनात असणाऱ्या ज्या काही वाईट गोष्टी आहे किंवा जे काही आपल्या काळजी आहेत, आपण ज्या गोष्टींची काळजी करतो, त्या सगळ्या काय होईल? निघून जाईल आणि तुम्हाला ते आनंदी आणि उत्साही त्या ठिकाणी बनवेल. पण केव्हा? इफ यू सिंग युअर वे होम. जेव्हा तुम्ही तुमच्या रस्त्याने जाताच त्यावेळेस आपण काय म्हटलं पाहिजे? गाणं म्हटलं पाहिजे. चेहऱ्यावरती हास्य त्या ठिकाणी ठेवलं पाहिजे, की ज्यावेळेस ह्या गोष्टी तुम्ही कराल, निश्चितच तुम्हाला येणाऱ्या ज्या काही अडचणी आहेत, तुमच्या ज्या काही काळज्या आहेत, त्या सगळ्या काय होतील? निघून जाईल. कशाने? आनंदी राहिल्याने आणि गाणं गायल्याने. सो आय होप स्टुडंट you will have understood the second song Sing Your Way Home. Understand? So here I am going to give you a question for your exercise on song number second. Let's see those questions here. Look at the first question for your exercise. Copy the second song in your way home. Sing your way home in good handwriting in your notebook. Again, here you have to copy the second song in good handwriting in your classworks notebook. Second question is here. Find and write down the pairs of rhyming words from the second song. Okay. Here we have to read that song at your home and we have to find out the rhyming pairs of words and we have to copy them in your notebook as an answer of the second question. And now the third question is here. Here are four words and we have to frame your own sentence by using each word. Okay, use the following words in your own sentences. Here you have to use all these four words in your own sentences and we have to frame a simple sentences by using these four words. Understand? The first word is sing, second word is day, third one is smile and fourth one is shadows. बघा, तिसऱ्या प्रश्नामध्ये तुम्हाला हे चार शब्द जे दिलेले आहेत, हे प्रत्येक शब्द स्वतःच्या वाक्यामध्ये वापरायचा आहे आणि प्रत्येक शब्द वापरून काय करायचं आहे? स्वतःचं वाक्य या ठिकाणी तयार करायचे. त्याचबरोबर दुसऱ्या प्रश्नामध्ये तुम्हाला यमक जुळणाऱ्या शब्दांच्या जोड्या शोधायच्या आहेत दुसऱ्या गाण्यातनं आणि पहिला प्रश्न जो आहे की तुम्हाला सुंदर हस्ताक्षरामध्ये सेकंड सॉन्ग जे आहे हे काय करायचं आहे? तुम्हाला तुमच्या वर्गपाठाच्या वहीमध्ये ते लिहायचं आहे. अंडरस्टँड? सो स्टुडंट्स, थ्रू दिस व्हिडिओ I hope you will have understood our first study tour, songs of happiness. There are two songs in this lesson and I hope you will have understood both songs here with the help of this video. Okay, so I will back again with new video and new lesson. Okay, so here try to complete all your tasks. Okay, and thanks for watching my presentation. Have a nice day, take care, and that's end the presentation here.